Previously, we have been testing out the EKSA EM500, which is a customizable gaming mouse that right now is on sale at under £10. But today we have the EM500, which retails at £12, that's 16 in US dollars. Now this mouse today is compatible with all variations of Windows. It will work with Mac. It's just a simple, lightweight gaming mouse that boasts RGB lighting, programmable buttons, and it has different variations of DPI settings from 800 all the way up to 12,400. Inside the package, just like the previous EM200, everything comes very well protected. As you can see, the mouse itself does come with a parachute cord, super bright in red with a length of up to 1.2 meters. To the end we have a usual USB connection, which when it's attached to our PC, you can see that this mouse does light up in those RGB colour changing tones. Now I wouldn't really necessarily say that this mouse has a unique design. I must admit the EM200 for its budget price range really did come in looking like a real stunner, but even though this EM500 is ultra light, weighing only 68 grams, it does however feel quite durable. That ABS plastic is contoured to the shape of your hand, very ergonomic, but it does however not have any type of rubber grip that again the EM200 hosts. Instead we get these very plastic feeling top, left and right function buttons, a rubber textured scroll wheel that does however feel quite good with a mid button built in. There's also them forward and back buttons to the left hand side with the DPI setting buttons to the top. Those DPI settings are variable, so they go from 800, 1600, 2400, 3200, 4600, 6000 to 12400, which has a bit more than the EM200, but shouldn't really be that much noticeable really. Now what's good about this particular mouse is underneath we do have an RGB on and off button, so if you don't like those built-in lights and you think they're a bit distracting, simply click it and they'll go off, clicking it once again to turn them back on. Now we have been testing this mouse on different surfaces throughout the day, and we've been testing it on the horror game, which is a 2022 game called Zemblante. Now I must mention guys, I've actually set up a brand new gaming channel. It's called Games from the Script. Some of the gameplay that we've done today will be included up on that channel. Please go over, support that channel by subscribing after you've watched this video, and there will be a link in the video description where you'll be able to access our new channel. But because we have been testing this mouse out quite a bit, I've got to note that in hand, over a good few hours gameplay, even though there wasn't much to complain about using this mouse, I just think personally that it was just a bit too light for my liking. Now with that previous EM200 gaming mouse that we've reviewed, well that one comes with variable weights, which is a great idea and fantastic for your preferred specified adjustment. Now don't get me wrong, the EM500 doesn't actually cause any type of strain in your hand using this mouse for long use. We do like how it glides over smooth surfaces, with those smooth pads to the base, and with those variable DPI settings, we've got to be honest, during gameplay, setting them to our preferred setting, well this mouse did actually glide. The precision was fantastic to match the speed of different gaming scenarios. It has good accurate tracking, and with those RGB lights on the side of the mouse illuminating, it does look very good and looks quite aesthetically pleasing to the eye. Now I think you could make use of those programmable buttons, but if I was to compare this EM500 to the EM200, I do think overall that the EM200 is much more worth the money compared to the EM500. Don't get me wrong, this mouse today actually does feel quite durable, but to be honest it's nothing that we've not seen before. Yes, it is indeed affordable, but I have seen similar type of mice that have an overall better design. Now can I suggest this product today for you guys? Yeah, I most certainly can. I do think that at the price just now, just over £10, that's around what, 13 in US dollars? You really can't go wrong really. It is a budget range mouse after all, but it's well worth taking a look back at that EM200 as it is our preferred mouse and we have been consistently using it since we have reviewed it. But if you would like to check this mouse out today, I have left a link in the video description down below, along with that EM200. Now we are going to give it a rating of 8 out of 10 today. Okay, it's not a full 10, but it is a certainly good bang for your bucks. But while you're in the description guys, please smash a like on this video, also share it wherever possible, as well as most importantly supporting this channel by subscribing just now, making sure though to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now, it's been great reviewing these EKSA products this week, and we are certainly going to do some more, so stay tuned for our very next videos. But as usual guys, please stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Yeah, peace!